So one of you guys sent this message to me and said, "Sir, please, why is it that if I upload any video on YouTube, it doesn't get any views? What is the problem, please?" So this is a question that I actually get every day. And the reason is simple: you are creating content for yourself. Now the question you might have right now is, Gerald, how do I create content that people are going to watch? That's what I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video. Let me give you a sneak peek of what I'm talking about. If you come to YouTube right now and type how to book a flight, you're going to see that the video ranking number 2 right here is a video that I made on a brand new YouTube channel. And what happened is that I left this channel. I've not posted anything else on this channel, and this video has gotten almost 10,000 views, right? Without no promotion, nothing at all, because I created this content for the right audience, and I'm going to be showing you how in today's video. So if you're actually interested, of course, it's important that you stay with me from beginning to the very end, as I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. And one promise I want to make to you is that I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get 4,000 watch hours so you can get monetized on YouTube. For those of you who don't know, to get monetized on YouTube, you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Now 1,000 subscribers is actually very easy to get, but the watch hours is actually where a lot of persons actually struggle, and I want to help you not to struggle the way I did when I started YouTube. So again, it's important that you stay with me from beginning to the very end, as I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. And for those of you who are seeing me for the first time, my name is Gerald, and what I do is that I make videos around making money online. So I try things out the work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done, and the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same result. So that said, it's important that you smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. So that's it, let's jump right in. So if you come to YouTube right now and type how to make money online, you see that my video is ranking number 1 for this particular keyword right here. It is not luck. There's a way to actually get these things done. So if you come here again and search for Amazon KDP tutorial, you're going to be seeing the fact that my video is ranking number 2, number 3, number 4. That all my videos ranking 2, 3, 4, right? If you come here again and type how to monetize a YouTube channel, this is my video ranking number 3 for this particular keyword right here. So if you are serious about becoming the next YouTube success story, you should focus on SEO, right? You should create content for people. The mistake I see a lot of persons make is that they create content for themselves and for their family members. So you should create content for a wider audience, and so that this audience can actually find you from YouTube search and watch your video. This is exactly why I spend the most amount of time planning my contents before I actually record that I did this content. Let me show you how to do that. So we are going to be using a vidIQ. So you're just going to click on the first link in my video description. It's going to bring you to vidIQ. So once you come to vidIQ, you're going to be searching for the keyword that you actually want to create a content around. And let's say you want to create content around making money online or crypto or whatever. So let's say you want to make a content around crypto. I'm just going to come here and type crypto, right? Click on talk, come to vidIQ, set up an account, then click on keywords and type crypto right here and hit enter. Now vidIQ is going to analyze this keyword and give you these keywords right here. So you see this particular one, BTC technical analysis, it has a search volume of 5,551. What this means is that there are averagely 5,551 persons searching for this particular keyword every single month. You see, overall, it's easy to rank, right? Crypto bull run, over 7,000 persons. Crypto analyst. So if you look at this wheel right here, you're going to be seeing the fact that overall score, once it's around green, right, it means that it's easy for you to rank. You know, once it's close to red, it is very difficult for you to rank. So the fact that these ones are actually in green is actually a very good sign for us, basically. So I can come here and now say, I want to make a video about BTC technical analysis. So I'm going to click on this, and this is going to come here. So these are all the other keywords that are related to this. So what I'm going to do is to come here, copy this keyword, and come to YouTube. I'm going to come to YouTube, come to this search bar and drop our keyword right here and hit space. This is what we call YouTube suggest. It is going to suggest related keyword that people are actually using to search for things on YouTube. So let's say, for instance, BTC technical analysis today. So I'm going to hit on this, right? Let's take a look at this, right? You see this particular keyword. This was posted 8 hours ago and they have 11,000 views. So this is a very good keyword. This was posted 2 hours ago. It has 1.7k views. You see, this is actually a very good keyword that I can actually jump on right now. Now, there's something else I saw that I actually prefer, right? Tutorial. I saw this Bitcoin technical tutorial. I'm going to click on this and it's going to open up right now. You see this particular one, 8 months ago, it has 110 technical analysis for beginners, candlestick trading. It doesn't have the word Bitcoin inside of it, right? But somehow this guy is ranking for you. So this is a gold mine for me right now. So what I'm going to do is that I have found the title of my video. So I'm going to say Bitcoin technical analysis tutorial for beginners. Now, this is me improvising right now. I have found a golden keyword that I can actually rank for easily. So the title of our video is Bitcoin technical analysis for tutorials. You see how easy that was for us to get. The mistake a lot of persons actually do make is that they sit down and they conjure title and video ideas in their head without doing this analysis that I just did right now. So this is a golden keyword that we can actually rank for easily. And of course, people are going to find our video because they are interested in this particular topic right now. Another ranking factor that you need to pay attention to is something called retention rate. Now, retention rate means what percentage of your videos are people actually watching. The longer you can keep people on your video, the more YouTube is going to rank that particular video because it is actually keeping people on their platform. So how do you achieve this? I call it using a hook. Your introduction is the hook. What are you saying in the first 30 seconds of your video? It is very important, right? This is why you need to focus on every single thing that you say in the beginning of your video. It is very important, right? After that, it brings us to editing because the editing is also very important. And one of the best editing tools I've actually used is the Wondershare Filmora 13. It's actually very, very easy to use. It's actually very user-friendly, right? And all you need to do is to click on the second link in my video description. Is click on it, it's going to bring you right here. And you can click on Get Started, right? So once you hit Get Started, this is going to be downloaded to your local computer instantly. If it's not downloading, you can click on Restart, right, and get this done. It is very easy to use. There's a whole lot of tutorials on YouTube. But if you actually want me to make a detailed video showing you guys exactly how to edit your videos using Wondershare Filmora, let me know in the comment section and I will not hesitate to actually make that video. And in that comment, please let me know specifically what you want to do. If you want to be able to record your screen and put yourself on your screen while your laptop screen is actually showing, or your phone screen, all of those things, let me know exactly what you need to do. And I'm going to be showing you how to do that with Wondershare Filmora in subsequent videos. Another reason why I like Filmora by Wondershare is the fact that it has this AI copilot editing, AI text-based editing, AI thumbnail creator, and AI music generator, and a whole lot of other things. I can actually click here to actually try it for free, right, before you decide whether you actually want to pay for it or not. I can assure you, go ahead and pay for it, right, because you are going to be enjoying it. And of course, you can also use it to create faceless YouTube channels, like I explained in my previous video. That video showing up right here, right now. You know, it will help you understand that thing. Now, another reason why people are not watching your videos is because your thumbnails are not creative enough. Thumbnails are supposed to arouse curiosity, which is the reason why you watched the last video you watched on YouTube. You saw the title, you saw the thumbnail, you actually liked it, you clicked on it and you watched it. The reason why you clicked is the thumbnail and the title. This is a very important. This is the reason why people actually click on your video. I've shown you how to find your title. Another thing is your thumbnail, very important. I'm not going to be dwelling on that, but Wondershare Filmora can also create thumbnails for you from your video instantly, right? So just scan your video, find a part of your video that is going to increase your click-through rate and use it as your thumbnail. And of course, you can add text and do your thumbnail in Wondershare Filmora. I explained all of this in my previous video, which is the third link in my video description. So these are some of the reasons why you are not getting views on YouTube. I have told you guys before that I'm working on the YouTube Money Secrets training, right, which is a full-fledged YouTube course that's going to teach you guys exactly the secrets of YouTube. We are working on that course and it's going to be ready by next month on Market 22. And as soon as it's done, I'm going to be letting you guys know in the comment section. Of course, if you're interested, let me know in the comment section as well, you know, to motivate me to actually hurry things up a bit. If you got never from this video, I want you to go ahead and say thank you, Gerald, in the comment section. Ask your questions in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer all of those questions, guys. And finally, thank you for watching the video from beginning to the very end. Until I see my next video, guys, keep winning. And don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.